10 unnecessary items you think you need to buy. Do you ever feel like your hard-earned money disappears the moment it hits your bank account? You're not alone. Many of us unknowingly spend on things we don't truly need, all thanks to clever marketing, societal pressures, or plain old habits. But here's the truth. By cutting out just a few unnecessary expenses, you could save hundreds, even thousands, every year. Today, we're uncovering 10 unnecessary items you think you need to buy and how eliminating them can supercharge your financial health. Stick around, because some of these might surprise you. And let us know in the comments, what's the one item you regret spending money on? Wait until you see the number 10 spot. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Let's dive in. First up, the Daily Designer Coffee Run. Yes, we're looking at you, $6 lattes. While grabbing coffee on the go feels like a harmless treat, it adds up fast. Let's do the math. $6 a day, 5 days a week. That's over $1,500 a year. Instead of splurging, consider investing in a quality coffee maker or learning how to make your favorite drinks at home. Your wallet will thank you, and you might discover a new hobby. Number 2. Extended warranties. You've probably been asked at checkout, would you like to add an extended warranty? While it sounds like a smart move, most products either outlive their warranties or are already covered by your credit card or the manufacturer. Save the extra $20 to $200 and keep an emergency fund for unexpected repairs instead. Number 3. Fancy gym memberships. Gym memberships can be great, but do you really need that $150 a month boutique gym? Most people stick to basic cardio and weights, things you can do at a regular gym for a fraction of the cost, or even at home with a few pieces of equipment. Not using your membership? Cancel it and try free workout apps, YouTube videos, or local fitness classes instead. Number 4. Brand new gadgets. New phone? New laptop? Unless your current device is genuinely broken, there's no reason to upgrade every year. Tech companies thrive on FOMO marketing, making you think you need the latest model to keep up. Pro tip: buy refurbished or wait until older models drop in price. You'll save hundreds without sacrificing quality. Number 5. Overpriced skincare products. Let's talk about skincare. Luxury creams and serums often come with jaw-dropping price tags, but here's a secret. Many of them have the same active ingredients as drugstore products. Instead of chasing brand names, consult a dermatologist or do your research to find effective, affordable options. Your skin and your savings will glow. Number 6. Cable TV packages. Cable TV might feel like a must-have, but how many channels do you actually watch? With streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, you can cut the cord and save hundreds annually. Better yet, explore free streaming options for even more savings. Number 7. Fast fashion hauls. Buying cheap, trendy clothing feels satisfying in the moment, but it's costly in the long run. Fast fashion items wear out quickly, leading to more frequent replacements. Switch to buying high-quality, timeless pieces that last. It's better for your budget and the environment. Number 8. Bottled water. Believe it or not, bottled water is a huge money drain. A reusable water bottle and a good filter can save you hundreds each year while reducing plastic waste. Plus, tap water is often just as clean, if not cleaner, than bottled brands. Number 9. Name brand groceries. Did you know generic brands are often made by the same manufacturers as name brands? The only difference: the label and the price tag. Swap those name brand cereals, snacks, and pantry staples for store brands, and you'll barely notice the difference, except in your grocery bill. Finally, subscriptions. You don't use subscription services. From streaming platforms to monthly subscription boxes, it's easy to lose track of what you're actually paying for. Take 15 minutes to audit your subscriptions. You might be surprised how many you can live without. Cancel anything you don't actively use and redirect that money to your savings or investments. And there you have it, 10 unnecessary items that could be draining your wallet without you even realizing it. By cutting back on just a few of these, you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow. Which of these items surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to take control of your finances, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on saving, investing, and building wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.